everybody, welcome back. It's Tasha here. I am here today with a new box for this channel. Not a new box for everyone, but new box for me. It is the Birchbox. Okay, so I pulled it up real quick, and Birchbox is, if you do by month, $15. If you do a 6-month plan, it's $14 a month, and a year plan, it's $13 a month. So just like very similar things. The more you pay for, the cheaper it gets. And it is 5 deluxe samples from a variety of categories. You do fill out a beauty quiz at the beginning, and you can have it more beauty focused or more grooming focused. So this is my first box. It does come in an outer box that is very cute in pink. And then inside is another box. Sorry. That says Birchbox on the outside. It is not as nice as the ones from Glossybox. If you guys are familiar, this is not coated. It is just cardboard box, and I like that because it would be a little bit easier to recycle. And then inside you find your little cards and all your information. So let's go ahead and jump in. It basically says, dear self, action also requires rest. Give yourself the permission to do both. So I don't really know if that's the theme of the box, but it is a cute little quote on this side, and then on this side is all the information for the products. So we won't look at that yet. Let's go ahead and jump in. And so the first thing I see here is a Kinder Luxury Hand Sanitizer. It says this nourishing antibacterial hand gel works to eliminate germs but keep your skin soft and supple. It is 30 milliliters or 1 ounce. It does have a nice screw off, and look at that. It is sealed. Let's open this up if I can get the seal off. That is pretty sealed, man. That is serious. Hang on. Oh, I hate the way that feels on your teeth. That metaliness. Okay, and it is quite full because as I take it off, there's already some coming out. It just smells like hand sanitizer. I was kind of thinking it might smell pretty because it really is in a beautiful package. Very nice. It's just a hand sanitizer though. It doesn't smell like anything in particular. Yeah. Okay, hand sanitizer. They say this is worth $12. Okay, next product. The next thing I have is a Marcel Extension Plus Curl Mascara. And basically this is supposed to be curl your lashes at the same time as it lengthens them. Yeah. I am not, I'm going to go ahead and open this. I was going to say I have tons, but I just finished mascara not long ago. So let's open this up real quick and see what it looks like. It is of course black, and the wand is, oh, it's a curled wand, and it does feel like it is very stiff there. So interesting. So we'll have to use this in a try-on soon. I like that. And the full-sized, oh, and I apologize. So the full-size value of the luxury hand sanitizer is $12. I'll have to look these up. The full-size value of the Marcel Curl Lash is $15. We did not get a full size. The next product that I see in here is Orbi Straight Away Smoothing Blowout Cream. And so this is supposed to, you apply it to damp hair, it's supposed to help you have sleeker or smoother hair, which for me would be great because sometimes I have quite a bit of flyaways. The full-size version is $44. Woo! That's some pricey stuff. There is no seal on it. Oh my goodness gracious. It is pretty full though. I just barely touched it and a ton already came out. And you are not getting that back in. It doesn't really smell like anything. Okay. Well, there you go. I don't really have anything. We'll have to set that to the side for a second. Next product I have is the Super Gloop. It is the CC Cream in Fair Light. It does have SPF of 35, and a full-size product of this is $36. And this is supposed to be lightweight, shade adjusting technology to even tone I am sure that it is a very light coverage, and this is such a small thing. You might get 1 or 2 uses out of this. Okay, so anyways, we'll see about that. The next product is Touch and Soul Pretty Filter Glass Skin Balm. And so this is a moisturizing primer that melts into skin, leaving complexion brighter and leaving a glow that lasts all day. I actually have a big container of it. The full size is $32. I do really enjoy it. It's actually a very nice primer. It does give a little bit of a glow. I am not going to open this up. It does have a seal on it. I will put it in for one of the giveaways coming up since I do have a full-size product. But I do really like this. And then the Toca, So this is a small perfume size. It is, I'm not even going to try and say it, but it says it's a blend of floral with woodsy notes. Let's spray it and see. Oh, that actually is really nice. Oh, that is very nice. It is very florally, not rosy, but more like tulipy, wildflowery floral. I know that sounds funny to delineate that, but, and then it has just a little bit of amber in it. Oh, I do like that a whole lot. The only thing I'd say though is this is a really small sample size. I think this almost should be an extra versus one of your products, but this is one of the products. So I think overall, with the 5 products that we have here, this, $15 is the cost of the box. I mean, certainly you do get your value of the $15 here. However, I think the Allure for $12 or even the Ipsy, and all of these are very similar price points, are better than these. There is not one full-size item in here. They're okay. Maybe since this is my first box, it wasn't curated as much. Maybe my next box will be better. We'll have to see. I don't see a lot of people get Birchbox. What do you guys think about it? Do you guys get Birchbox? Do you like it? What are your thoughts on this? Have you gotten some good products before? Please drop me a line and let me know what y'all think. Thank you guys so much for joining me. I loved having you here today. Please stay safe, stay happy, and I will see you in my next video. Thanks. Bye.